This video right here is going to show you how to use the JoyArk app. So this app is going to help you play console and then PC games on your mobile phone. Very much simple and easy. So it's like a cloud something that's going to help you play these games on your mobile phone when you have strong internet. So now let's launch a game like this and let me show you. So that's Spider-Man 2. Good. So there's the game info here. You can see they are saying it's being played on Windows and all that, the storyline and everything for you to understand. You tap on the play to comment and then you do that. So I don't want to be doing that in the game. I'm just reviewing it. And now let's tap on the me. Just like I said, you need to create an account. When you just hop on there, use your Google account to create an account. This is my account here. I just did a Google sign up. Yeah, they have a pro version. So when you hop on here, you need to get the pro version before you can play their games. Yeah, and then when you do that, you're going to find all these things here: rewards, your redeem codes and invitation codes and the rest. So you can tap on the settings here. Good. On the settings, you move to your account to change your JoyArk account. Everything on there, you update your profile picture. You tap on delete to delete your email or your account, something like that. You reset your password, your account name, which is the nickname, to you just do that. Good. And now we tap on language to switch the language on the app. These are the available languages: English, Espanol, and Lingua Portuguese. And then the server selections too. Yeah, just like I said, the games are being hosted online. You'd have to do. So just like I said, these are cloud something that are being hosted online. So yeah, they will have servers in locations. Good. And that's it on the JoyArk app. So this app is going to help you play PC and then console games. Yeah, so you just need to subscribe and you'll be able to play all your favorite PC games. You can see EA Sport here, PS21. You can see Grand Theft, Spider-Man 2, just like I opened, Residential Evil, WWE, and the rest. So that's it on the JoyArk app. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. That's it for the video. Peace.